Viewers, welcome. We have today an exponential equation. If x raised to the power x raised to the power 1 plus x is equal to 256, then what will be the value of x? Let us solve it, okay? Solution to this question. Solution. Alright, we solve x to the power of x to the power of 1 plus x is given to be equal to 256. First and foremost, I will apply the law of indices that says if I have a raised to the power x plus y, it is equal to a raised to the power x multiplied by a raised to the power y. Okay? I am going to apply this law at this part. Okay? Therefore, it means I will write from here, bringing it down, I'll have x raised to the power, this x raised to the power 1, x raised to the power 1, multiplied by x raised to the power x, multiplied by x raised to the power x. The whole of this is equal to 256. Now, I have applied this law in this given question. The exponential part is splitted in this form. Very good. Now, we all know that anything raised to the power that 1 is that thing. X raised to the power 1 is x. Also, if I have a raised to the power x, also raised to the power y, it is the same thing as a raised to the power xy. Therefore, from here, x multiplies x raised to the power x. So I'm going to write it in the form of the left hand side. We now have it as x raised to the power x, then into the bracket in this form of the left hand side. Whereas outside the bracket will now be x also raised to the power x equal to 256. It is very, very correct. Oh, math is life. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Tutor Cletus Okole, for exciting videos. Now, as it is, if you look at the left hand side, you will agree with me that the base is the same thing as the power. The base here is what I have in the bracket, and then the power is still the same thing. In the bracket I have x raised to the power x. Then the power of that outside the bracket is x raised to the power x. So I want to put this 256 in that same form. And that is the same thing as 256 is the same as 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4, because 4 times 4 is 16, 16 times 4 is the same thing as 64, and 64 times 4 will give me 256. So I can write this as x raised to the power x, all to the power of x raised to the power x is equal to 4 raised to the power 4. From the way it is now, you see this law, a raised to the power a equal to b raised to the power b. It implies that a is equal to a, the bases are equal, or even the powers are also equal. That means that the base here by the left is equal to the base by the right, or the power by the left is equal to the power by the right. Now the base is x raised to the power x. It is now equal to the base by the right, which is equal to 4. With this now, we are done. What we need is to express this form to be in the same form of this law, that a raised to the power a equal to b raised to the power b, implies that a is equal to b. So I will express this form to be in that same form. Since here is x raised to the power x, the base and the power are the same. So I write it, x raised to the power x is equal to 2 raised to the power 2, because 2 raised to the power 2 is the same as 4. You can now see the base is the same as the power, the base is the same as the power. We can now conclude that the value of x is equal to 2. And that is what the question has required us to solve. A quick one, we'll check this result that we have gotten. In the question, I have x raised to the power x raised to the power 1 plus x equal to 256. We want to find out if the two equations will satisfy. Now, if I replace the value of x as 2 raised to the power 2, also raised to the power 1 plus 2, is this equal to 256? Okay? from here I have 2 raised to the power 2, then raised to the power 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3 is this equal to 256. Want to find out. But 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. 2 times 2 times 2, 8. So it becomes 2 raised to the power 8. Is it equal to 256? Yes, 2 raised to the power 8. 2 multiplied itself 8 times is going to give us 256 equal to 256. So that satisfies. We conclude that the value of x is equal to 2. Please subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.